this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to block spam calls on your Android phone. So if you look down at the phone option here, and our phone might be a little bit different than your phone here. So you can just go on over to the keypad, then go to the top right or the top left. There should be some options in here for spam protection. So we can just go to settings right there. And then we can look for the options in here, and it could be very apparent on the top, or we might have to search for it. So we can go to block numbers, and we can block unknown call numbers right here, and we can turn this on or off if we want. And then we can block recents under here. We can go through the recents list. If someone called, we can block their number specifically through there, or if we have a contact we want to block, then we can go on down. And if we don't find it under there, there might be a section like for other call settings or something like that. Hide contacts without numbers. Okay, this looks pretty good. Now, there are some applications you can get through the Google Play Store too. And we can go to search, and we can just type in like block numbers or something like that. Block spam. And there's a few of them I like. There's one I tried, but the problem with most of these applications is they're always running, so they use up a lot of battery. So like this Truecaller, I used this one in the past, Truecaller spam call blocker. It works very, very good. So you can try this out, Truecaller spam call blocker. Only problem is I noticed that used up a lot of battery on my older phone. So did work. It gives you a lot of different customizations on here. I'll just download it right now and get it on my account. But go ahead and just check out Truecaller spam call blocker. This one worked pretty good if the system settings on your phone didn't. And it's kind of nice because it will give you a caller ID. So basically anyone who calls, you'll be able to pretty much see who is calling. So you'll know if it's a spam. And you gotta watch out for who's calling, because these spammers can change the name that pops up on your phone. So it might not be the people that is actually calling. So just allow all these permissions and just set this up. Allow access here. And then it should just filter out any kind of spam that you have. So you just sign in with your Google account here, make an account real quick, and then we should be good to go. Then it says you do need a phone number. I guess I don't have a SIM card on my phone right now, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out.